These uncles of ours are quite something.
Yes, along with the chair.
Yes, Amit.
What did he say?
He said,
Hey, tell us something in Marwari. Well, I sell Banarasi saris for your sake, but listen to this Marwari.
Tell me.
this is mine.
What?
Who is that woman?
This one here, one day brother.
Okay.
On the cot,
Okay.
one face there, one face here.
Then.
Now, will you eat it? That's true. My itch, scratch it. Yours is tight, my brother's is tight. Brother didn't. He said, what are you doing?
He said, bro, I'm scratching. So he said, it's tight, it tastes good. Hey. The Marwari uncle tells it, madam. It's correct.
Let me tell you one thing. What will you tell?
Uncle just said there should be some new comedy. Look here. What should I look at? Over there, he's taking a photo. Put a garland on him, not just anything. Put a flower garland on him.
Why, brother? You're doing it right.
Once or twice, the guy's being bowled over Krishna.
With courage.
Show some courage, show it.
Yes.
Use the courage, man.
What?
Of masculinity. Yes, strong.
I am stopping him in Marwari. Brother, here's what I'm telling you. What will you tell?
Just yesterday or the day before.
Days ago.
Not days ago. At the very least. Why at the very least? Why give it? What will happen at the very least?
Joining the garland.
Okay.
At least 70 feet of water.
In the middle of the village, 70 feet of water. 70 feet of water?
That's a good thing. And my grandfather?
Why, what about grandfather?
My grandfather stayed in the water for 5 hours.
And 70 feet of water?
Yes?
For 5 hours. For 5 hours. Yes, yes. The whole village gathered. The entire village. Everyone from nearby. Not the whole press.
To see.
Yes, that the boy's grandfather made the name proud. A very proud name. Pen Sarpanch, everyone.
The whole village.
The village was happy to see. Very happy.
Were they happy with your grandfather?
They cremated my grandfather. Cremated him? He couldn't even stay for 5 hours. He was talking while alive for 5 hours.
Shame is running away.
Tell me he stayed for 5 hours. He stayed for 5 hours. He.
Tell me the story.
That was the story.
That was the story. He made the name proud for 5 hours. You go into the water.
You go once.
I will go.
Look, let me tell you one thing. Yes, listen to me.
You keep telling me, okay.
But I will definitely ask you,
What will you ask?
Why did this uncle say he is talking nonsense?
I am listening. Then don't listen, turn your face and speak.
Turn your hand, speak kindly. I am listening. Don't show me your face. You speak. Give this uncle a kick once. Hands. Look.
We are from the same soil.
You give it. Why are you acting like his aunt?
Listen to me. Speak.
This bindi you wear on your forehead. Bindi. You wear a bindi on your forehead?
Okay.
Why do you wear it?
This bindi?
Yes. This is my symbol of marriage. What is it? It's my marriage, my marriage. For the hero?
Yes.
Is that for sure? Ask her, is that right? Hey boy, is she saying it right?
I'm saying the truth. I'm his wife. But I didn't get enough sleep.
Look at this, I'm a married woman.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Go to the bathroom.
Let me show you this line of being married.
Yes.
This daily misery of being married? I am asking.
The daily burden.
There's a line formed at home. It's fun.
Tell me, why put this vermilion on the forehead? And why lie on the cot? And if you don't, it's a sin in your husband's life.
I am a married woman? Hey, why do you put this vermilion on? I put this on in your name. Why in my name? So my husband lives a long life. This vermilion line?
Yes.
Will his life be extended?
Yes, sir.
Let me be all red for you.
So that your life may increase.
Oh, good. So the vermilion extends the husband's life?
Yes.
Hi.
What?
Why did my mother put on vermilion?
Why is it your business?
No, ask if my mother put on vermilion.
She must have.
It's been 7 years since my father passed away! Oh, so what is the guarantee?
Does this vermilion increase life? There's no guarantee.
Uncle, you must be lying. Listen to me.
Speak. I asked why this vermilion is applied.
Why is it applied?
It is applied this way.
The priest performs the rituals Om Bam Pavitra, Pavitra, Swaha.
Yes. He performs 7 rounds, sit down. Yes. The boy and the girl sit down. Yes. The boy applies the vermilion.
Oh.
So why does the boy apply it?
What?
That's just for show.
Oh.
And this ring too?
No one can also apply it with a stick.
Yes.
Why apply it? With a stick or money? Because this property has been sold and registered. Why are you looking at her? No. No.
She is just a child. Look, Uncle, she's a child.
Why, she's just a little girl after all.
These are children. Yes, brother, one child is gone.
Listen, one child left and another is sitting here.
This girl is saying, look, Taoji, she's a child.
They are all children.
This child,
And
they are all just bleeding. Like goats, not children.
I will tell you. Why are you asking me? So it is you.
Less chattering. I am always. You jump in between. Sister, explain to Uncle Kaka Mangla, explain to them. Hey, listen, look.
show me.
Why is Kaka doing this? Sir, he is taking out money.
Who is taking out this money? Who is taking out the money? So,
He is scratching himself.
No.
No. Well, at least clap loudly once. This Tao has been enjoying it all night. What a life he's having.
Hail to the king of Katu!
Greetings, your face is not decent. So at least talk decently.
greetings, Katu Shamji.
Who?
I am.
Falling at my feet. If someone else comes, then what?
Let me tell you one more thing. What will you tell? So you have prayed to many gods and goddesses, right? That is how I met you.
Oh my.
Otherwise, you would just be wandering around. Be grateful to me. It's by the grace of the Mother Goddess that I found you.
Otherwise,
I'm telling the truth.
otherwise.
No, there is a government bull roaming in the village. Listen to me.
Yes, the whole village is grazing lentils. The whole village is grazing lentils.
Raising lentils!
Hey, it's the village, but listen. Listen, your father is causing new diseases these days.
Come and die.
Someone should take care of it. I am well looked after. But listen,
What?
you also sing praises of Sanji uncle?
What should I sing?
Whatever I get for you,
No.
I will get it.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, I would be making cow dung cakes in the cow shed.
me? Yes, I definitely wouldn't make them.
What would you do?
My engagement came from very far away.
From very far.
Likely from the city, Mumbai, or somewhere.
In Mumbai, a bachelor. With Govinda.
With Govinda.
Yes. My engagement was from Mumbai too.
Oh my, oh my.
With whom?
With Bobby Diol. Oh, he is a motor mouth. I would have made him work too.
What would you make him do?
Make a bake rotis.
And
Cut the father and wash my clothes and today I would make him dance.
you would have made him work, brother. People are going to Khatu's Shyam Baba. It's the grace of Shyam Baba and devotees from far away go to Khatu city to please Baba, Baba. The milkmaid of It's just a matter of a little while.
Salute, salute. Take it. What are you taking? Why? He might mess things up.
There's no trusting him.
Yes, yes.
The kind-hearted Kanha.
The fussy Kanha. Kind-hearted Kanha. So fussy. Look at the uncle's face.
Looking like a kind-hearted one.
Face looks right.
Like someone sucking on a mango.
My heart.
Is that uncle dancing like a guy?
The uncle's dance. That's not an uncle dancing, it's a day dance. What? I will die the day I see Kamaji smile. The charm of your face. Come on, brother. I told you it will burst. I understand what you're saying.
What? You uncle and you, what are both of you doing? I understood both of your conversations. What did you understand? Why do you and that uncle have a connection? I have told you.
Come on, let's go. I will call the reverse. Listen.
Get on.
I will go to the aunt's place, in your place, in your place.
Aunt?
I am the aunt, and this uncle is sitting here. He is the uncle-in-law. No, that's the sister-in-law, see?
Sister-in-law?
This is the sister-in-law's old brother-in-law. You go.
Belongs to the brother-in-law.
Why is it?
The whole village belongs to him.
What?
One hand is busy with Lord Krishna, oh my sister-in-law. Now, what have you become? Now, what have you become?
Just a little bit.
So,
Showing affection.
What are you doing?
spoil him, let Lalaji be spoiled. Oh, Lalaji, there is no breaking. In spoiling, it's all broken now. It's all broken now.
And what?
I am spoiling him.
Get out?
I am going. Not in this life.
I am going to jail. Oh, my mother. Listen, brother.
Mother has listened. Let's go together completely today.
Listen. Yes?
I will go
Okay.
to jail. What?
Not in this life.
Many? What? Many like Asaram Bapu, Asaram will leave.
Yes.
Look behind.
Yes.
Right.
Without you?
Without me? Hey, Billy, what is going... Broken? Okay.
Bilu.
Greetings.
Still here.
Oh, the flute played. My heart is in Kalwa, hearing Sohan sings bhajan, hearing Sohan listening to
ले जा अरे कानून